This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nicola Wakelen. Embrace the best of SWFL living in this light, bright and carefree home located in a resort-style community. This popular Tribeca floor plan is the perfect size with 3 bedrooms, a den and a modern open main living area. So you have everything you need but no wasted space. Fresh paint, window treatments, light fixtures and ceiling fans make this a move-in ready home. This stylish kitchen features a large counter bar, easy-to-care-for quartz countertops, alabaster cabinets, sea glass backsplash and stainless appliances including a wine fridge. The kitchen opens to a sizable great room and across from kitchen is an expansive formal dining room, creating a perfect flow for entertaining, and the durable wood tile floors are easy to care for. Relax in the screened lanai while enjoying the sunrise over the private preserve view. Riverstone offers a social, vacation-inspired lifestyle for all ages. The amenity center includes fitness facilities, a social hall, resort and lap pools with cabanas, spa, 5 lighted Har-Tru tennis courts, basketball and pickleball court, and tot lot. With a full-time activities director, now is the time to enjoy all Riverstone has to offer. For more information, review the details below.